Hello and welcome to Swag Academy. In this video, I will quickly discuss the results of Tencent first quarter 2024. Let's begin with the overview. Revenue increased from 150 billion RMB to 159.5 billion RMB, a 6% year-over-year growth. The main increase came from online advertising 26% year-over-year and fintech and business services 7% year-over-year growth. Social networks and domestic games revenue slightly decreased by 2% year-over-year. The gross profit increased from 68 billion RMB to 83.9 billion RMB, an amazing 23% year-over-year growth. Net profit increased 54% year-over-year. It jumped from 32.5 billion RMB to 50.3 billion RMB. This is an overview of the gross margin. As you can see, the overall gross margin is increasing over the years. It reached 52.6% in Q1 2024, which makes Tencent a very profitable business model and company. Now let's have a quick look at the operating expenses. The cost for sales and marketing increased by 7% year-over-year, which is proportional to the revenue increase of 6%. R&D, which stands for research and development expenses, increased by 3% year-over-year. G&A, which stands for general and administrative expenses, decreased by 3% year-over-year, which means, in other words, the company became more efficient. It is good to see expenses of sales and marketing as well as research and development increasing, because this leads to direct increase of the revenue and keeps the company competitive and innovative, whereas costs for general and administrative should decrease to keep the company efficient and to have a good operating leverage. Now let's have a quick look at CapEx, free cash flow and cash position. The total CapEx increased from 4.4 billion RMB to 14.4 billion RMB, an increase of 226% year-over-year. The free cash flow stayed the same at the same level of 51.9 billion RMB. Since the company had higher CapEx, this means that the operating cash flow also increased year-over-year. The net cash position, which is total cash minus total debt, increased from 31.5 billion RMB to 92.5 billion RMB, an increase of 194% year-over-year. Furthermore, Tencent repurchased 51 million shares. This is a shares buyback of 13.5 billion RMB during Q1 2024. The fair value of their investment portfolio is $74 billion. So to summarize, revenue increased, net income increased, and their cash position increased. On top of that, the company did shares buybacks. Great results for the first quarter of this year. Let's hope Tencent continues this way.